Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up we have Monsters by From Temi Village. Looking at their code, we can see some when pressed blocks, shoot blocks, and fly right, left, down, and up blocks too. Defeat all the enemies in the map while collecting stars and hearts. Next we have Shark Feeder 1.4 by Nutty. Looking at the code, we can see some plain note blocks, forever blocks, and next costume starting blocks as well. Feed your inner shark by catching all the food. And here we have Car Race by Axiomatic Venom. Looking at Axiomatic Venom's code, we can see start physics blocks, set gravity blocks, and set linear and angular damping blocks too. Reach to the end and try to reach record speeds. Lastly, we have Pixel by Happy Coder. In this text coding project, you must avoid all the pixels for as long as you can. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time.